One put up. You want me make it spoil? Me tell you if you not work this, you know say your mother have to cook. Imagine, I come and visit you and I have to cook. I cook back home and I have to cook right here. Can you imagine? I'm a kitchen clock. Am I a kitchen clock?
I will make you just prepare your own food.
I'm a kitchen clock? You're right, because you can't cook, so you're right for one.
That's not true.
You can't cook.
Who can cook?
You
can cook.
You can't.
Really?
It seems as if you can't cook. Kitchen clock as usual, we cook.
Oh, well.
You come Jamaica, you have to cook. You come Atlanta, you have to cook. You soon go to a restaurant, go buy my food. But then again, you not want to go give me dirty food. A restaurant. Today is Father's Day. That's why I'm looking about it for you. That's the only reason.
What are you making, Mom?
I'm going to fry some dumpling because today is Father's Day.
Okay.
You're going to get fried dumpling and escovitch fish. And moreover, I don't even eat fish. I'd have to give you the fish. Right? Send some for your friend.
Mason! Mace! Come here, boo.
Send some for your friend, Jude. Happy Father's Day. Send some for your friend.
Move your phone up, move the camera. Move that thing from in front. That's what she making.
Gonna fry some dumpling.
That's what is it good.
It's gonna be good when I get it. You're American, you know. You're American. You don't know fried dumpling.
Yes, I do. I'm half Jamaican. You're not half Jamaican? You're full
Oh,
American?
if you're not half Jamaican.
You're not half Jamaican, boy? Oh my
You're
God.
American? Straight through? Straight American? You serious? You don't like Jamaica then? You like Jamaica? Oh. I'm gonna take you home when I'm ready, right?
Yes.
You'll see Tag when you go. Can you just imagine if man take meat? Hell play. A little soft way where you having get rough. Mr. Keith, I will tell me something of call it when they say Sati. So I know you sweet, so I'm not call you so.
What?
Keith.
That's what I told you.
No, me not to call you Keith.
Why not?
June I know. Sati tell me.
You always call me Keith, Mama.
No, only when me up here. June I call you all the time.
Okay, so you're up here. So that's exactly my point. You say you call me Keith when you're here, so you're here.
Sometimes when you're around people. But you're not Keith, you're June. I need a plate.
I don't like when you call me Keith, I don't like when you call me Junior with certain people. I didn't know how to start calling you so.
There's nothing wrong if you name Juna. You're the
No,
Juna. I don't
don't.
want any plate out that thing. You'll have to wash it. Give me one out the cupboard. Today is Father's Day, you should be.
Yeah, we got just
That's what I told you.
We'll go around a second.
Wash that plate.
Tell me what a second I got to do. I feel
Wash that plate.
if we wash, no, if we wash, run a cycle, we flush out it. It's ain't clean and just the water or something. Just you have any, you know, you don't need all the,
What?
like fork, spoon.
Yeah, me need fork for. You don't need fork?
You can't use this?
One of them fork. You need the black one.
So we can run this in.
Yeah. And yeah, money. Steve
So
Jobs no
you
carry
can't
nothing.
tell them.
Steve Jobs no carry nothing.
Some people can.
And you know what Pastor say? Pastor say when in the home, when they don't come in bed, they put in the sheet. Because when in there, also Romed go come. They most my Christian, you know, Romed go come, where go on, put foot pan in bed. Because when people come and they are, rum head come to, you know. The pastor say when Sister Graham put on sheet pan in bed, no need them tell him say, nothing lie down pan, he lay down pan in one of them. Okay, nice.
I guess this is almost like a reality show.
A life, yeah, living a certain life, you know, you know.
I guess this is what the people in reality TV. And then I put a cameraman right in your face. Video.
And you don't like that sometimes.
This is sugar cane. Mom brought it up from Jamaica. Good old
They
sugar
never
cane.
take them.
They can. They know it's coming from me, so they wouldn't take it.
They make sure ask me if I went
Straight
to
from
the farm.
Jamaica. Sugar cane guys.
If I dig any dirt any year. I wonder why. But my friend told me because if you go in the farm and dig dirt, you can bring worm in your nails. Worm, something like that can happen. Eh? You know. So be careful. Contamination. Up here, they're scared you contaminate them place and you have so much.
But it's already contaminated.
And they're scared. Well, I don't have a broad pan that I use back home, so I have to use this plate to get this dumpling, this broad dumpling, and then we're going to slice it up. I don't like the round one, because the round one has too much inside of it. You just have to dig it out. So I do this flat one. This is the one that my granny bring me from. So now I must break up here. I need to get you a broad pan. Then pan it too deep. So you just do it in the pan. Like that. You know, so you can see it fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Let's hit that short. You need the oil. Frying pan hard. I need frying pan and I need oil.
Here. The disgusting little fart. Get away.
I gotta make my tea, so you gotta pause that.
Me gonna pause on here?
Oh well.
Listen to me, Junior, you don't remember things? Oh, you remember some of the things them when you was a child. And now this big thing you don't remember.
Carry too big.
How much it time?
Medium. Medium low. You know, see gauge over there.
Here's the fork.
I think this side better than
This side.
this.
No, one better pound, no better you know.
It's one medium. 4. It's 1 4.
I come to Atlanta.
No, how that move? It just turn on.
I come to Atlanta after cook. I'm in Jamaica after cook. Every day. Every day I cook. But you know why I'm doing this? Because today is Father's Day. And this is the Father's Day before me. Eat the dumpling you don't get for years now. When was the last time you did this dumpling? When was the last time? You don't make it. So you're going to make it again. So you want to go on the pan? Go on, no sodium. Go on, no sodium. Just go on. Let's get it out to it. Alright? Take out the fish and put out of the
You think about it?
You don't turn on the stove.
It is on.
No. So long and it don't come up.
Mommy, not hot yet.
Then why take so long in selecting?
Yeah, see me just turn on the stove. Me just turn it on.
Look from when you turn on, it's supposed
Jody
to
turn on this side all along. Me take it off of that side.
But
Because that side always a burn. That side always a burn.
Take too long.
You put in it too quick.
Get up no wrong, make it stay. Let me tell you. You don't expect it stove to take so long. Currently, as you know.
I see a charge, yeah.
Me gas fast on this.
There she go complaining again. She complains about everything.
I have to.
She's so miserable. None of her kids can take her. Kids are sick and tired of her.
You can make no video for it. You know there's no stay proper to become video.
I know what I'm doing in a
You
video.
can't stay proper because of him.
No, I mean on the count.
It's not in the video.
I remember them, man.